Hey, how you doing? Just taking a look outside and look at that beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Yeah. There's Bonecrusher down there, parked in the curb. Yeah, it's the same old. Last month we've had this. It seems every single day we've had a thunderstorm warning, hail warning. And this time we lucked out. We didn't get too much in the way of hail, but I might be eating my words here in a second. What the heck's hitting the cars now? Oh shit, that's hail. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to end this because I gotta phone my buddy and tell him to come out and move his car, or cover it at least. Okay.